Hi, this is Matt from Lost Creek Machine. This is an Enco vertical mill. It is a model 100-1525. It was made in 1992 in China. It's about 3/4 the size of a standard Series 1 Bridgeport. The motor is 3-phase, 220 volts. It's a 2-speed motor, so the high speed horsepower is a little over 1 1/4, and the low speed is a little over 5/8. Spindle brake. This is forward high, forward low, and forward high. The spindle is R8. It's got a quill kit, Mitsutoyo quill kit. And it has a Sargon 2-axis digital readout. Unfortunately, the X-axis is not working. This flashes. The Y is. The spindle is R8. It has an 8x36 table, which looks like it's in good condition. Don't see any drill marks, mill marks. It has power feed on the X-axis and the knee. There's the stops for the knee feed. So condition-wise, mechanically it's in great condition, but they ran coolant on it, so the paint is not very good. You can see it's peeled away. I am missing this cover plate and the other cover plate on the other side. But I don't think it's been used a whole bunch, and definitely not abused. Thanks for looking.